This is the Palawan Bearcat arcticus binturong white-eye, a subspecies of the binturong native to Palawan Island in the Philippines. Boasts a stout body covered in long black fur with white or gray tips and a distinctive prehensile tail. Found mainly in dense forests, they are nocturnal omnivores, dining on fruits, small mammals, birds, insects, and eggs. Threatened by habitat loss from deforestation and hunting, they are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Revered in Filipino folklore, they're known for their vocalizations and play a crucial role in their ecosystem by dispersing seeds.